Best upright exercise bike under $500. The best upright exercise bike under $500 is fantastic for keeping yourself healthy. Of course, you could cross and try the exercise on gyms. But, gyms can fall short in satisfying all your desires. Besides, why would everybody pass out of doors while they can benefit indoor? And there's usually the chance of no longer getting a vacant spot in gyms. You recognize what I am talking about approximately. So, the proper alternative is to buy an exercise bike for yourself. Number 1. Xterra FB350 Folding Exercise Bike. This motorbike is the proper area saver. The folding layout of the motorcycle could the user save it without problems and higher effectiveness. So many customers are crazy about getting a folding bike. Besides, you get this at lots of new, less expensive rates. Well, I have to mention which you are going to love the semi-recumbent layout of this bike. It offers a comfortable journey. You won't get the precise comfort like a complete recumbent exercise motorbike, but the seat and backrest are best for absolutely everyone. That's what everybody desires on a motorcycle, cushioned and foamed. There are 8 stages of resistance. Is it sufficient? Yes and no. Generally, bikes on this V range do come with 8 degrees. But, the problem with this motorcycle is that it has a lightweight flywheel. The flywheel simplest weighs 3.3 kilos. That is a chunk too light to be sincere. But, the motorbike still provides clean opposition. Besides, the quietness of the activity will cause you to appreciate the overall experience. You can regulate the resistance with a knob-like maximum different bike. Simply rotate and choose the level that suits you pleasantly, also, the knob located in a new convenient place. As a result, you may modify the resistance without any need to get off the motorcycle. It is vain to anticipate, in this bike, a console like the Schwinn 270 motorbike. Nope. There are no packages or persons customizable makes use. But, the console of this motorbike does the easy job of tracking beneficial records like velocity, distance, time, and many others. You will live prompted to work out each day. So, you need comfort. Need a handy folding design. A low-cost motorbike? Well, you get all that and more in this indoor exercise motorbike. Number 2. Exerpeutic Upright Exercise Bike. Do you recognize what the problem is with an upright exercise motorcycle? These motorcycles always lack consolation. Isn't it a pain to paintings on an uneasy seat? Besides, there's no telling how long you can continue the exercise on a motorcycle. That is why a comfy chair is worth having. While maximum upright bikes fail to provide the preferred consolation, this Exerpeutic is exceptional. It has a large seat that allows smooth sitting for more than one user. Also, the padding of the place makes it comfortable for running long hours. Moreover, you can even alter the seat for your needs. By the manner, the prolonged capability of 300 kilos is superb for heavy customers. What is virtually the great workout motorcycle for home use? It is bikes like this one. A foldable layout that can help to clean capacity. You can overlap it up and keep it in a storeroom or at the edge of your house. This Exerpeutic motorcycle does come with a console. But, are you able to imagine a console that tracks the exercise facts and the readings are not clear? That could be awful, wouldn't or not? Is it? Well, you don't need to worry about that due to the fact this motorcycle's show is obvious to study. You will not have any hassle looking over your exercising development. It is always great to govern the intensity of exercising motorcycles, isn't it? When the going receives tough, you could quickly decrease down the resistance stage. That is precisely what this motorbike gives you. An adjustable resistance knob permits controlling of the extent. As a result, you've got more manage. Number 3. Body Rider Fan Stationary Exercise Bike. Here is a motorbike for you, quick people. This best cheap exercise bike is a unique workout bike. The design is so one of a kind from maximum other upright motorcycles. Don't fear the price because this is another less costly one. There is so much that may state approximately the layout of the motorbike. the pedals adequately located underneath the seat. As a result, it's so plenty less complicated to attain the brakes. It doesn't matter, you are quick-legged. There are steel frames that have padded ends. They add also balance for your trip. Simple hold onto these with a decent grip and feature a further guide. The console sits at a far lower position. To be sincere, it is not the most suitable function. The usual console position on exercise bikes seems better to maintain an eye. But it tracks cool features like energy burnt, pace, and distance too. There aren't any particular resistance stages in this bike. You will observe that the adjustable knob has no numbers on it. So, you can boom or decrease the resistance with the rotation of the knob. How to recognize the depth? Well, you merely ought to rotate the knob and start pedaling to find out. It comes with an up-to-date seat. The best cheap exercise bike has delivered a more fabulous cushion for consumer comfort. You also can adjust the position to an inexpensive top for better exercising. Number 4. Marcy NS 40502 our magnetic recumbent bike. This best cheap exercise bike is a fantastic low price range recumbent exercise motorbike. If you want a comfy recumbent motorcycle that also provides a decent resistance depth, then this is the only. What is the one trouble with such a lot of recumbent bikes? It is that they do not provide an adjustable seat. But you don't want to fear due to the fact this motorcycle has an adjustable chair. I wager maximum manufacturers spend too much time considering the consolation that they overlook about consumers' convenience. Anyway, there are 5 one-of-a-kind seat changes feasible on this bike. Do you know what exercising motorcycles need to have? It is stability and sturdiness. Otherwise, bikes tend to wobble while you start pedaling hard and speedy. This Marcy bike has massive leg stabilizers that allow solid workout. Also, the heavy-duty steel construction maintains this motorcycle secure anything certainly. Marcy NS 40502R has 8 tiers of resistance. It is turning into a norm of some kind that workout bikes have 8 rows. Now, this motorbike will keep home customers satisfied. But I don't think the experts will continue to be entirely happy with the intensity. The solid construction, comfortable ride, and clean mobility alternatives make it difficult to refute the Marcy NS 40502R from this listing. Number 5. Marcy Air Resistance Fan Exercise Bike. This motorcycle might not be the maximum popular release from the Marcy brand. For example, it isn't always so talked about as like the Marcy Me 709 recumbent motorbike. But the motorcycle's full-body workout design and fan device make it a worth exercise motorbike. If you watched that low finances bikes do not offer excellent exercising, then assume again. Keeping your legs transferring is just too not unusual in exercise motorcycles, isn't it? We need more from those pieces of machinery, don't you watched? Well, this bike does offer an upper body workout alongside a decrease frame. It comes with twin movement palms that most straightforward boom health and maintain your complete structure in form. This motorcycle has a decent display. The display screen is large and full, making it more straightforward to examine the exercise records. And of the path, the show's critical metrics like velocity, distance, calories, time, and so on. Besides, there may be even an experiment function. I even have to mention that the motorcycle does not offer an exceptional seat. It may lack comfort for most customers. In any case, simple seat alteration permits ergonomic seating for the users. Furthermore, alternate positions of the motorcycle at your will. Utilize the transportation wheels to roll the bicycle in new places.